soldiering for a living and being Native American, and the truth that was forbidden. They wouldn't let you see it, wouldn't let you hold it. But now I speak my affirmation from the pulpit. Now they have to listen and they have to obey. I led the move, Seattle public school, no way Jose. Because I held a picket sign, they call me racist, but I was simply trying to get up in their faces and introduce that Albert Einstein, Steve Jobs paradigm, John Stockton dropping dimes. The signs of the times, praying the killing will stop. Frustrated, I'm saying I'm feeling real hot, knowing that the judgment is coming. And no matter what, I know God will keep me up in that function. G.O.D. got my back paid eternal, spilling blood and guts up in this journal.
Love me or hate me, pray for me, thanks homie. Love me or hate me, pray for me, thanks homie. The dualities are challenging. Strap my boots up for battling. I'm a warrior, survive through the torment. Shell shock, but nah, I ain't dormant. PTSD, demons sneaky lurking. Foes plotting, I even seen them smirking. Trying to be slick, don't care to see me working. Watching, please believe for certain. Caution, cause they could care less, they don't care. They may got one leg asking, but don't stare. These fools be watching too much internet. I feel it's time for me to interject, intercept for the pick six, then run it back. But them refs be trying to throw the flags. Hate us cause our hair and our array of shades, where that hate's in their heart and it's caved away. Love me or hate me, pray for me, thanks homie. Love me or hate me, pray for me, thanks homie.